my channel, welcome. I'm Mad Chen and I'm a digital illustrator. I create Procreate tutorials for beginners. For today's Procreate tutorial, I'm going to show you how to stabilize your brushstrokes with Streamline in Procreate. First, I want to demonstrate what your brushstrokes could look like without Streamline. When we zoom in, we can see some imperfections on this line. So now I'm going to show you how to enable Streamline so that we can get stable brushstrokes. Let's go up to the brush library, and I'm going to choose the wallpaper brush here, but you can choose any brush in the library. Then we'll go over here to Streamline and put it up to max, then go up to the top right and click on Done. We should now have stable brushstrokes with Streamline enabled. Thanks for watching, guys. Please support this channel by liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing to Mad Chen. If you have any questions, comments, or problems with Procreate, please leave comments down below because I want to be supportive and help you guys get better at using Procreate and also get better at your artwork. You can also check out my other Procreate tutorials, which I will leave links up above and also in the description below. I hope you guys have a lovely day, and I will see you in the next Procreate tutorial.